Welcome to the instructions video for the Benefit Cost Ratio Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you evaluate whether a project is financially viable by comparing the present value of its benefits against its costs. It's essential for making informed investment and engineering decisions. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two main values. First, input the present value of benefits. This is the total monetary value of all project benefits discounted to today's value. For our example, let's enter $500,000. Next, enter the present value of costs. The total project costs, also discounted to present value. We'll use $350,000 for this example. Once you've entered both values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will divide the benefits by the costs to give you the benefit cost ratio. A result greater than 1 means the project is economically justified, while a ratio below 1 suggests the costs outweigh the benefits. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.